Hi everyone, my name is Jordan Robinson. I'm one of the artists that had a winning design selected for the flag project at Rockefeller Center. I wanted to talk to you about my design process and the inspiration behind my flag design. To quote my written submission in correspondence with my design entry, I wrote, I reminisced about memories from my childhood years living in Hanover Square and Christmas Eves visiting family in Brooklyn Heights. Always bringing them a dozen cookies from Court Pastry Shop, yum! I was also inspired by the city's industrial landscape, the hustle and bustle of people walking around the city, and natural greenery and florals found throughout NYC, from floral stands to Central Park. The deep hue of brownstones was my inspiration for the color of the NYC type. The end structure was to pay homage to the Twin Towers. The flowers symbolize how NYC will always thrive and come back stronger each year to bloom even more vibrant than the year before. If I was able to give my flag a name, it would be Like Flowers Will Bloom Again. It would share the same name of my poetry book I wrote at the beginning of the pandemic. A poem from that book is, Creativity soothed the soul and filled each day with wonder and awe. Just like flowers, humanity will bloom again. My art varies from abstract to a playful illustration style, so I wanted to depict a blend of the two to fully represent who I am as an artist and depict my love for the city. The abstract portion of the design is a scanned image of a 12 by 12 acrylic painting I created. The colors I chose are inspired by the rich tapestry of colors found throughout the city. The almost frenzied brushstrokes and elements of impasto techniques were intentional. I wanted to depict the hustle and bustle in the city that never sleeps. The long portion of greenery was to represent the city's parks. And the whimsical floral bouquet illustration is a scanned image of one of my signature floral illustrations created with paint markers. I wanted to feature flowers in a vase to represent how we're all in this together, in COVID-19 times and beyond. I love to have conversations with people about the perceptions of art, so in my work, I love to have an element of varied symbolism. Someone may seem drooping flowers in the vase as literal flowers waiting to grow stronger, while someone else might see them as symbols for us humans dealing with struggles and wanting to pick up their heads, and may view the two flowers standing upright as pillars of regrowth. To share my perception, I like to view them as dancing and flourishing in sunlight, trying to find joy in dark times. Please comment below your perception of my flag design. I'd love to start a conversation and get feedback as well. Thanks so much for your time, and check out all the other awesome flags.